Howdy everybody and welcome back to our channel Tech It Simple. We're back with another crypto video for you guys. And this video is on how you guys can download Binance Wallet on your phone. So basically Binance also has a wallet version, and don't get confused. Binance app and Binance Wallet are two different things. Binance Wallet is an app which is specifically designed by Binance in order to store your crypto. You can only store your crypto and Binance Wallet and do other minimum stuffs, but in bindings you can buy crypto, sell crypto, as well as do many more things related with crypto. So Binance Wallet is like a wallet. So Binance Wallet is like a place where you store your crypto, whereas bindings is a trading platform, so you're gonna know the difference between each other, otherwise you might end up downloading Binance thinking is the wallet, right? So you got to know the difference. So I made it clear Binance Wallet do different things, right, but it's graded by the same company. Don't get mixed up now, but that's it. If you guys are new to our channel Tech It Simple, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Now let me teach you guys how you guys can download by this wallet. First step, you want to go on versus Play Store over here, because you can only download apps on your phone to Play Store. Alright, once you're over here, you got to search for Binance Wallet. As you guys can see, Binance Custody Store Crypto, and make sure it says Binance Inc. as you guys can see, which means it is created by the official company of Binance. Click on Binance Costly. The first Binance you saw at the top is actually the finance trading platform we want the wallet. So once you come over here and click on install, and congratulations, you just downloaded Binance Wallet. It's that simple. Now after it downloads, you can open and you can set up your bonus wallet, or you can log in into your older Binance Wallet or the existing Binance Wallet you have. Alright, so just keep that in mind, and remember, entering your Binance login detail is not going to work. There's another set of things or like rules you need to follow in order to log in into a Binance Wallet. Alright. As I said, wallet and finance are two different things. So just don't get confused. I just said this multiple times, but hope you guys understand it and are not annoyed. If you guys are, I'm sorry, but this video is over. That's how we guys can install it. And if you guys found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.